Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do August unboxing for the Boxycharm. I already opened this part, but I haven't seen what we got inside. So here it is. Again, Boxycharm is a subscription, a makeup subscription. You get 5 full-size items for $21 a month. Here it is. I will put my link on the comments bar so you can, if you want to subscribe. So let's see what it comes with this month. So you get your list of the items that you receive on the box. And in the back you get a 20% off coupon for Smashbox, and a 25% off coupon from Laura Lee, Los Angeles. So there's that. The first item I see is this. It's a DC New York organic infused age-defying nail treatment. So that's how this looks. This nail treatment is $18, and this is a full-size one. So let's open it up. This is how it looks. So $18 full price for this. So that's pretty good. So that's the first item. The second item I see are these House of Lashes. I guess the style is Featherette. I've always wanted to try these lashes, so I'm actually excited I got a pair. This one retails for $9 to $12, so I guess the price ranges. So there's that, how they look, and the style, Featherette. So that's my second item. The third item is this Bang Beauty, and this is a open it. It looks like this. It's a gel eyeliner in the color chocolate. Oh, nice. That is really pretty. I currently don't own any brown eyeliners. So that's that. This retails for $22. So this gel liner is $22 retail price. Not bad. With this, you already paid off your Boxycharm. The next item I have is ooh, and this is a nude. Awesome. It's a Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte lipstick, I'm guessing. This is in the color Always On Metallic Matte. Well, this retails for from $21 to $24. And there's the name. I don't know if the name is XOVLADA or Always On Metallic Matte. So let's check it out. Ooh, is this a liquid? I guess it's a liquid lipstick. This is how it looks, very pretty. That's nice for the fall. So that's how that looks, and this is how it comes. This, oh, I told you, this retails from $21 to $24. This color is really nice. And it has a nice sheen. So the next product I see is this Party Animal eyeshadow palette. This is by Laura Lee. Is this her own makeup brand? Oh wow. These are the colors. I'm excited to use this color with a brown crease. So let's swatch it. Oh, that's not very pigmented. Let's see. These are the other colors. This pink one is really nice. Let's see this purple. Oh, this one feels really, I don't know if you can see, like it's crumbly. Let's see. Oh yeah, has a lot of fallout, but the color is beautiful. There it is. See how pretty that is? Let's see. Let's try the pink one. This one has a lot of glitter. There's the pink. This palette is good to have if you want to mess with colors, because I really don't have many colorful palettes. So now at least I have my basics. These really stain your fingers. So it's good to have. This purple is really good. And I'm gonna try to do a look with this one. This one's a nice color too. So yeah, this is a Laura Lee eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $19. So that's pretty good. The next item I see in here are, ooh, 3. These are by Wonder Beauty. They're baggage claim gold eye masks. And you get 3 sets. These are $13. So I'm excited to try these. So yeah guys, this is all I got in August for the August Boxycharm. Let me know what you got down on the comments. This month, the only thing I'm excited about these 3 items. I've always wanted to try these eyelashes. Brown gel eyeliner, I've been wanting to get one, so I got one now. And this liquid lipstick is beautiful. And that's the swatch. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I'll be putting up a video of something that I create with this palette. I will be mixing a different palette in because I can't do a whole look using these, and I want to do more of a wearable look. That way for the people that don't like to wear bright colors, you can kind of see how you can use this palette in combination to another palette. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.